नगर नियोजन खात्यान ग्रेटर पणजी PDA रद्द केली. तशेंच म्हापशें, कळंगूट, कानोळे, पणजे, ताळगांव, बांबोळेचो उत्तर गोंय नियोजन आनी उदरगत प्राधिकरणान आस्पाव केलो. तेच बरोबर हडफड्या, नागवा आनी पर्रा NGPDAंतल्यान काडून उडयल्ल्याचो नगर नियोजन मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन सांगले. सोमारा नगर नियोजन खात्याची बसका घेतल्या उपरांत विश्वजीत उलयतालो.
First decision what we have taken is dismantling of Greater Panaji PDA, and what we have done is that we have taken out Kadamba Plateau. There I will explain to you how it will proceed, and we have taken out once the 60-day period is over, where people will bring their objections again, objection chukla in the process of the whole exercise that was conducted by our whole team and edited by the CPP. That 60 days period we are going to board is going to be monitoring that, and after the 60 day period from the proclamation once the proclamation is signed, those areas will then we will notify it and close that old ODP which is there. But also I want to make a mention that once that exercise is completed, the new NGPDA will look like this. It will have Kalangut, Kandolin, it will have Mapsa, it will have Panjim, Taligaon and Bambolim. Arpora, Nagwa, Parra are the three villages which are going to be removed after that period from the PD. Once the process is completed, it will be out from the PD areas. 4,000 plot आम्ही subdivide करपाक त्यांका दिता to build farmhouses. Coverage जी पहिली 5% आशिल्ली that we are increasing to 15%. But again, we are going to engage an agency like IGBC for their certification. They are already working with CII. आणि कितें हा ह्या तरेचे एजन्सीक इनकॉर्पोरेट आमी केल्यार Indian Green Building Council त्यांच्या involve केल्यार we'll get strict certification for all these projects before they are passed, and the board will get a presentation of these projects.